Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Apply tutorial series. In this video, we will be covering the citizenship and residency information tile in the personal information quadrant. To begin, log into your Cal State Apply application, click on the personal information quadrant, followed by the citizenship/residency information tile. The first section is pertaining to U.S. citizenship and features a drop-down. U.S. citizen is for those individuals who were born in the U.S. or attained citizenship through naturalization. The permanent resident/green card option is for individuals who hold a green card and are permitted to permanently live and work in the U.S. This option is followed by the country of citizenship, as well as the permanent resident or green card issue date. The none option is for individuals who have no U.S. citizenship or visa, regardless whether or not it is on an immigrant or non-immigrant status. Refugee are for individuals who have been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, persecution, or natural disasters. And then the last option is going to be other visa. This is followed by the country of citizenship and the visa type that you have or are anticipating. It is important to note that that is not an option to list either an F1 or J1 visa, as these are considered international student visas and therefore should be indicated when a student is creating their original application. The next section is for residency. So you will select the U.S. state which you regard as your permanent home, regardless of your legal capacity to establish residency. If you select California, indicate whether you claim California residency, and if so, whether you have lived in California continuously since birth. Please note that if you indicate that you claim California as your permanent home, but you accidentally indicate no to claiming California residency when you should have indicated yes, this will impact your residency status and you may ultimately be charged non-resident tuition if offered admission. For those students who are considered international applicants, we'll go back to this other visa section. Select your country of citizenship, and then you will select the visa type you have or will have when you study at the CSU. If you already have a student visa, this is where you're going to enter in the visa date issued. Otherwise, you're going to go ahead and put your projected date, which would probably be either in August or September of 2021. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact our office with any future questions. We wish you the best of luck.